Oh. Whiskey.
Oh, it stinks. Nice and good.
Oh my god, like, I just wish people would understand how hard things can get.
Oh, they gave me a cat again. I asked for chicken nuggets.
With the new kitty cat storing mat, you simply wrap him up, stir him away, put him in kitty stasis, and he's out of the way. When you want to use him later, you simply pull it out, unwrap it like a burrito, and he's ready to play.
Oh my god.
Do you not like it? Woo!
And we're walking here, we're cooking people.
Andy, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. It's just that life is pointless and nothing matters, and I'm always tired. Also, I can't sleep. I'm overeating. None of my old hobbies interest me.
We have a policy of not splitting up siblings.
Wait, what's wrong? Eh? You stuck your thumb? Naughty!
Do something, cat.
How far would you drive for the girl of your dreams?
I would drive anywhere.
What about to Nebraska?
Oh,
We'd go to Nebraska.
No, no.
I got myself here a fully grown pumpkin.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
She is a fat and she's a disgrace to humanity.
Time to do some sketchy sh. Doo-dah, doo-dah, ho.
I get away with it. Oh, da doo da day.
Press for a receipt.
I don't remember scanning this card, but...
Please take your change on shopping. Please scan an item.
Okay.
You really have to be careful and hold them a certain way, and you know.
Can I help you?
I have chicken nuggets. Hey.
Oğlum müsaade et lan. Gitti. Tamam hadi geçmiyorum.
How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36!
Today I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
My cat every time I change her litter box.
Bro, I gotta poop.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You f***ed up my glasses. Oh, you fixed them. Thanks. Ow!
Mittens. You be nice. Mittens, Jesus Christ.
Здесь, на большой высоте, у многих начинается горная болезнь. Многие путают ее с простудой. Это самое опасное. Сейчас я тебя продиагностирую.
What did you do to this couch? Oh my goodness.
If you have a cat, this is an emergency. I need you to have them duet this video for me, please. I love them and I need to talk to them. Okay.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now?
Baby Luna stepped into the water of her food, and now she's scared and hiding under mom.
Hey, baby Floof. Come to me. Come here. You come here. I got you.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Shit.